We are going to make a halter with a backless. And we will start right now. Originally, we're trying to do this off-shoulder but failed and wasted lots of fabric. That's why we end up with this. First, grab the dress and do the cutting. 3 inches, 10 inches. Grab that 10 inches fabric, fold it in between, then cut it for the armpit. Don't forget to grab a pattern if you need one. 3 inches fabric is for the ribbon. Fold it, then sew it. Then flip it inside out. For the top, fold it in 1 1/2 before sewing. Sew the fabric in between. And after that, cut the back to give us a backless that we need. Make sure to level it with the armpit. Stitch the elastic. To do so, roll the elastic on the bobbin, then insert it in the bobbin case. Before doing so, don't forget to stretch it, but not too tight. You won't go sewing it with the inner fabric facing you. Instead, vice versa. It's up to you how many inches you want it to be apart. 2 ah. Go na.
Go.
If you like this video, we have
Playlist here.